Now I am starting the final preparation, inserting the first gingival retraction cord, a 3-0 cord, a silk suture that I prefer. And I want to undergo a shoulder preparation, and the cord is very important to obtain a little separation between gingiva and the finishing line of the preparation. You can see now the phases of the preparation of the shoulder preparation in the interproximal area and in the vestibular area, with a larger burr to have better control. Okay, and the vestibular area, the finishing line with a protection, and